Famous rapper Rodwave was involved in a near-fatal car
Florida Tampa Bay rapper Rodwave in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick. When it's fixed, I'm pulling up on Rodwave. What up, what up? The time is here. 2019 Nissan Versa.
Is that what you're getting?
Yeah, that's what we're getting. Oh god, dude. This is fucking crazy. Texas, that's us. Oh my god, please do not bid.
No one is bidding.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Dude. Oh, we're going. Come on, dude. Don't face me, man. I need this car. Oh, f***. Ukraine. The hell does this guy in Ukraine want to do with it?
They're gonna give it. The bad thing is they're gonna give it like a bonus time. That's the
Yeah.
bad. I hate that, man.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh!
Shut up! Shut up! Oh, shut up! Shut the f*** up! Shut up! Shut the f*** up! Oh shit!
So it's Wednesday. I bought the car. Matthews, what was it, Friday?
Yeah, something like that.
It's been the most hectic 4 days of my life. I'm not gonna lie. I got hit by a crazy copart fee. I didn't have a trailer. I didn't have a drop hitch. What else happened? I had to pay for the car and I was having problems with the bank and all types of stuff, but you know, it's time to roll. I just cleaned the garage. It looks freaking C8 ready. There's not really much more to say except let's throw this badass hitch on that I just copped yesterday. Thanks to yours truly and Jelly. This man literally drove 2 hours to go pick this up for me last night.
Has a scale on it?
Yeah, it has a scale on it. Look at it.
What?
4 hours.
That's crazy.
Because I didn't have a drop hitch. I've never towed anything with my truck. So, you know, I'd say this whole thing has been like problem, solution, nonstop, but it's time to roll. Dude, this thing's a freaking unit right here. Look, it's got a damn gauge on it. And it's got a key, so you scumbags don't steal it. Dude, my hitch pin's so ghetto. I don't even got a pin, look at it. I got a wire. Don't steal my hitch, please. Steal my hitch, I'm gonna find it. Probably not. Yo, that's fire. No hands. Nope. Dude, I wonder what my neighbors think. This driveway's so crazy.
Look at that truck. Look at that truck in the background.
Looking at my neighbor's cars. He's like, yeah, he's so clutch. Let me use his trailer, but he has some badass cars. Come on, guys. I'm not paying you to sit around.
Oh, y'all need help? My bad.
Good job, guys. I don't know if that's supposed to happen.
Bro, I need deodorant. Dude, I stink right now.
Bro, how are you gonna not wear deodorant on a like 2-hour car ride?
I'm not letting you use my deodorant, alright?
Why don't you wipe it on your finger? Wipe it on your finger.
Wipe it on my
Fingering my fucking deodorant?
other side of my.
I put double deodorant because I'm going to Tampa and I'm
Double deodorant. Oh.
Pit stink.
Oh. You want a new You're buying me a new stick. That's yours. Put that in your pocket. 2 hour drive? No, hour and 55? That's not bad.
Honestly, we checked it earlier. I was like, dude, Judah told me it's 2 hours, so I know it's 2 hours and like 45 minutes. And I'm like,
that's how you gotta get anyone on a road trip. You can never tell someone how long it actually is.
Dude,
then they
like,
bail out. Gotta give them like a 20% less.
You feel me? Right here with me this whole ride. You gonna watch me get this shit. You gonna watch me hustle. You gonna watch me blow. You gonna help me blow. Bitch, we grinding right now. Recording on the road. You feel me? Dropping video, dropping on tour. Bitch, we grinding right now. In a year or 2 time, they gonna be like, damn. I just wanna be like a fucking man. Michael Jordan story, man.
Yo, he shows the street where he wrecked it at, and he puts the address, not the address, but the actual street name. We gotta find where he wrecked it. It's right where we're picking it up. It's in the same city. So it's probably like, I don't know, probably 10 minutes away. Look, it says right here, MLK Street. That's the wreck right there. That's crazy. He just clipped the pole. Thank God he didn't get too messed up. 5 months ago, my buddy bought this car brand new, and it had like 100 miles on it. He let me come drive it. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. I got some light here. I'm in the Z06, and life is good. I mean, it might not be a C8, but count your blessings. This car, still freaking sick. But one day, we will have that C8. Mark my words. Mark my words. I said it. Manifested that shit.
What'd you do, buy Bitcoin?
Yeah. I bought Tesla. Dude, if you bought Tesla back then, you would have like a ton of money. I think it was probably 600 bucks back then. So a lot of you out there are gonna be saying I just hopped on a bandwagon, but Rodwave posted this music video with the car July 12th. On July 18th, I posted this video on my Instagram story. Imagine if I found Rodwave C8 and bought it and rebuilt it. I posted this on my story. Was that 6 days? 12 to the 18th. Yeah, 6 days after he posted the video, I posted this on my Instagram story. And my boy said, I bet you won't. I said, I'm on the hunt.
Do you see how long it just took?
And then, okay, I said this. He said, you ain't gonna cop though. I said, LOL, don't doubt me.
Quick note, y'all saw how long Judah took to do the math between 12 and 18 days? Like, if you want a C8, like, you can get it. Like, this dumb motherfucker can't even do 18 minus 12. It literally took like 6 seconds. Like, if you go back, I like was thinking like, bro, there's no way these kids still thinking that.
I'm replacing you guys. We're being new friends. Yeah. September 3rd, I sent this to the same boy. Just sent him the picture of that auction. He said, I bet you won't. I said, we shall see, I guess. Now we're here, baby.
I guess you see.
I don't even know how we got here, but when it's fixed, I'm pulling up on Rodwave. We're gonna pink slip that new C8 of his. I don't even know how I'm gonna find him, but I don't know how I bought the car in the first place, and I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. So if I can accomplish fixing it, you know, I definitely can find Rod. I feel like I'm going to Disney World right now. Like, I haven't been this excited for anything since like Disney when I was a little kid. I didn't even go to Disney, so there wasn't much excitement as a young kid.
It's only a 2-hour drive.
2 hours.
Hour and a half, yeah.
You hear that? 2 hours. Rodwave, come f with your boy. Come crank on some wrenches and crank some bolts off or something.
Let me give you a real offer. Come smoke some weed while we hang out and fix the car.
Matthew smokes weed. I don't smoke.
Hey, I do not smoke weed.
Matthew's a pothead.
He's the pothead of the group. He's a fucking pothead.
Nobody in the car smokes, but if Rodwave is trying to smoke, we can get you some smoke.
I felt like everything was gonna fall apart until this moment. It's lit. Lit. Dude, it's actually happening. I thought to this moment, I don't even want to jinx it still, but like, I thought every second of the way, like something was gonna happen. Like I was gonna get screwed out of my money, or the car was gonna get sold, or like something crazy was gonna happen.
You tell him what car we're getting?
Buddy. Be gentle.
I'm trying.
She's brand new.
Well, she was.
She will be. Let's go.
She's coming. Judah.
So you see him drop it and then he picks it back up. It's 2 months of a hard work and dedication. Bro, the bumper just laying on the thing. This is crazy, dude.
This side though. Oh shit.
Hey. Got my brand new 2020 C8 bumper. It's lit. This color's so sick, bro. This is like the...
I thought it was white.
Bro, I thought it was white too. It's not white. It's like the
gray.
It's like the off-white.
That's a nice color.
Dude, this color's sick. Pitching pennies my whole life for this moment to buy a wrecked car, but we're gonna make it brand new. I don't know how, but we're gonna do it. Dude, that's so clean, bro. Have the other wheel? You know, we have it. It's in the pictures.
Maybe it's inside. Yeah.
Dude, what the f? They put the wheel? Yes, they put the crusty ass wheel on the interior. That's crazy. I guess just put it in like that. Jeez, man. Bro, how could you do this? Like, what the f?
Water and shit in it. Oh, fuck.
Dude, what a bunch of big...
Damn. That's how they gonna treat them like that?
I know a guy that can detail this real nice. His name's Judah's Garage.
My boy, you got the carbon.
You got Rodwave's lighter. Is it wheat?
Bro, that's carbon roof.
Grab those t-shirts.
Why?
Yo, look at
We got it.
Yo, check this.
We got plenty of
Yo, Rodwave's hat. This is a famous rapper's car.
I don't know whose it was.
Famous rapper's hat too. What you think? Yeah, a little buff, bro. A little duct tape and super glue.
You think we can rip tomorrow?
Yo, how's this hat look?
No, that's actually pretty clean. I ain't gonna lie.
It looked clean though, but if it wasn't on you though.
It was on you?
Oh, it's not the hat. It's the man in the hat. Now that's fresh though.
In the moment thoughts.
I'm just, you know, I'm just blessed, man. Dude. That bitch is so bad, bro. How did we get here? I used to be working on crusty ass Jeeps.
Now you got crusty ass fucking Corvettes.
You're good in the front, man.
Yeah, slight fender bender. Nothing, you know, your boy can't fix. The only thing that's bad is this right here.
A little dented. Wait, you got the wheel. The wheel.
Bro, I think the knuckle might still be
It's
good.
the rotor and everything.
The rotor and knuckle are good.
I mean, the bearing might be shot.
The rim, we might be able to buff.
Yo, I'm not gonna... Yo, with this hat on, bro.
That hat is pretty fresh.
Yo, Judah's not getting this shit back.
Judah's...
Bro, how the f is there a Corvette in the back of Judah's truck?
She is
Redneck
mint.
Innovation, Florida boys.
Look at
Now
that.
let's see this motor.
Perfect. I need the keys. Anyone want to buy Rodwave's t-shirt? Just subscribe. I'll send you one.
I'm a subscriber.
He's on a temp tag still. Wow. Oh, dude, these seats are sick. They're the carbon ones. I didn't know. I couldn't see the pictures. You got the knife? Scalpel. I'm like a doctor. Oh! I think I just cut myself. So this whole interior, like the only airbag is this airbag. And this airbag literally is only 500 bucks from the dealership. So the interior is like pretty freaking mint, other than they put a freaking whole wheel with water in my passenger seat, but you know, it's okay. Matthew's just checking out the engine. Hey, how's the engine look up there?
Dude, you didn't even get the engine.
Oh, they didn't give me the engine? I got screwed.
Rodwave's water.
Bro, if we say Rodwave's item one more time, this guy's gonna be like, dude, these guys are some straight
Goons. Dweebs.
Hey, he looks on eBay, there's like every item in it, like posted, Rodwaves. Never did I think I would own one of these. You think the battery's dead? Yep, battery's dead. Give me your money. You think we could buff that?
Yeah.
What's poppin'? Brand new wrecked C8 just hopped in. This has old Alcantara. Why isn't this today?
Has to go all the way up, yeah.
What the piece of shit? Oh, bro, give me a moment.
You're never gonna meet Rodwave. He's gonna DM me and be like, yo, I quit your
No, he's gonna be
vibes,
like,
your boy,
hey,
your boy, that kid.
Yo.
That's a corny fucking guy.
He's gonna be like,
oh, bruh, this shit, your left side's a little too.
yeah, it's kind of pinched. Pinched a little bit.
A little makeup,
Matthews, you've been here since the beginning, man. I want to share this with you. That's yours.
Rodwave's lighter.
I know your pothead ass wants that.
Oh, it still works.
He's like, let's spark up right now.
I got Rodwave's lighter.
Hey, oh, shit.
What?
Check this out. Oh, I got the carbon package on the motor. Look, it has the carbon inserts. Look at the carbon motor covers. Oh, that's how I roll, bro.
The carbon top.
Oh my god, bro. There's the
Carbon
carbon
top.
move. We know how Rodwave rolls. Come on.
Spit on it.
You know how Judah's Garage rolls? Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's not tight if you don't do that. That's good?
That'll hold.
Yeah. Crank her down real good.
Bye-bye.
Don't be filming that.
What is
that? Wish we could just drive it. Yeah. Soon. Give us a week. Give us till tomorrow, you know, we'll have her going. So the damage, it's not looking too good, but it's not looking too bad. Nothing your boy can't fix. Isn't that right, Matthews?
I got it.
But honestly, right now, since we're in Tampa, literally he wrecked this car maybe 20 minutes from here. So we're about to find where he wrecked it, just because we're here. I think it's a cool idea. So that's the plan, and you're gonna have to tune in next video for that, because this is already pretty eventful. I'm gonna be posting like 3 times a week, so stay tuned, because this is gonna be quite the project. Isn't that right, Matthews?
I'm gonna pump out a lot of videos for y'all. That's for damn sure.
I'm a little like shocked still. It still hasn't set in, but I guess it's time to roll out of here and go find where he wrecked this thing.
We're taking the pole with us. The pole that took down the car, we're taking it.
Don't move.
Wait, shit. Go straight up here, and you're gonna run right into it. Give you one of my
What
cars.
you do?
We do it like a chopper.
Oh, whoa, look at on the fiberglass. Now we don't need to buy parts. We found them all.
Yo, all I know